Hello everyone. So today I will discuss about network terminologies and hardware of class 8. So what are the network terminologies and hardware? The network terminologies and hardware are, first one is node, server, cables and wires, RJ connector, NIC. NIC means network interface card, and last one is hub and switch, and other modes also there, that means simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Those are the mode, and media, guided media, unguided media, and the networks, LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN, PAN, etc. So I will discuss each and everything. So today I will discuss the network terminologies and hardware. First one is node, server, cables and wires, RJ connector, NIC, hub and switch. So first one is node. Node. What is node? Each computer on the network is called node. Each computers on the network. Suppose this is particular a network. Suppose this one is a network. Suppose this one is a network. The each computer, this one is also a node. This one is also a node. This one is also a node. So each computer on the network is called node. Clear? So what is node? The computers are connected with a network is called node. Clear? So we can also say that each computer on the network is called node. Clear? So the first one is node. And the second one is server. A computer that facilitates sharing of data, software, hardware, resources on the network is called server. So what is server? The server means a computer that facilitates sharing of data, software, hardware. So server is basically a computer. Suppose this is a network, this is client 1, this is client 2, this is client 3, and this one is the server machine connected to this one and this one. This is the server. Server is basically a computer which can easily share data, information or the resources, software, hardware among the clients. This is called server. Clear? So the second one is server. Next one, cables and wires. We know that cables and wires. Cables are used to connect different computers. We know that very well. Using cables, the different computers are connected. There are various types of cables available. That means fiber optic cable, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, etc. So cables are and wires means cables are used to connect different computers. So what are the examples of cables and wires? So examples are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Clear? And so on. So cables and wires. Next one is RJ connector. What is RJ connector? RJ refers to registered jack. Registered jack. REGISTERED What is RJ connector? RJ connector is used to connect two computer or two devices. You can connect using RJ connector. We can easily connect two computers. Suppose here is one computer, here is another one. So you can connect from this point to this point using RJ connector. RJ means, so what is RJ connector? RJ connector is a type of connector by which you can connect two devices or two computers. The full form of RJ is registered jack. Clear? So this one is RJ connector. Next one is NIC. NIC means network interface card. What is NIC? Any computer which has to be a part of a computer network must have a network interface card installed in it. Suppose we used a computer, this one is a computer and this one also a computer. Two computers are connected to each other. This is the 1, this is the 2. So, client 1 and client 2. Two devices are there and connected to each other. They can send data and also vice versa, receive data also. Clear? So, suppose the computers are connected to the network. So, the computers must be installed the NIC card to access the network portion or to connection between client to server or server to client or client to client or client, or you say that one computer to another computer. So, two devices are there, suppose they are connected with the wire. So, client 1 can send data to client 2, client 2 can send data to client 1, vice versa, with the help of a network. If they are using a network, the devices must be installed with NIC, that means network interface card. Clear? A computer is able to communicate with other computers on a network with the help of an NIC only. The point to be remembered, the point is a computer is able to communicate with other computers on a network with the help of an NIC only. So, here is the computers are connected with the network and they can communicate to other with the help of NIC only, network interface card only. And NIC is also known as network interface unit. So, NIC is also known as NIU. So, NIC is also known as NIU, network interface unit. NIC is also known as NIU, network interface unit. So, the next one is hub and switch. Hub and switch. A hub is a device that allows us to connect multiple computers or devices together in a network. Hub is basically a device that allows to connect multiple computers. With the help of hub, we can easily connect multiple computers and we can easily communicate to each other. This is the actual concept of hub. Clear? Next one is mode of transmission in a network. What are the modes of transmission in a network? The modes are, suppose mode simplex and duplex. Simplex and duplex. Duplex is divided into half duplex and also full duplex. So, mode is divided into simplex, duplex, and duplex is divided into half duplex and full duplex. Suppose next point will be media, guided and unguided. Guided is connected with the help of cable line only. So, guided media is divided into coaxial cable, fiber optic. First one is coaxial, fiber optic, twisted pair. So, guided is divided into coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, and unguided media is divided into satellite, geo satellite, radio wave, etc., microwave, so on. Clear? So first one is mode. Most mode is simplex. So today I will discuss about the modes, and my next class I will discuss about media. That means guided media, unguided media. Guided media is to coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable. Unguided media are satellite, geosatellite and radio wave. So today I will discuss about the mode, that is simplex, duplex. That means simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Clear? Simplex. Suppose two computers are connected, computer A and computer B. Two computers are connected with a cable or with a network, suppose. So using the concept of simplex, the transmission is only one way. So using the simplex communication, one computer can send data to other computer. Only this operation will be performed using the simplex. One computer send data to other computer. Suppose the direction is one way only. Clear? A can send data to B, but B cannot send data to A. Only one direction. This is simplex. Next one is half duplex. Suppose two computers are there, A and B. Here A computers can send data to B and B can send data to A, but not at a same time. A can send data to B, B also can send data to A, but not at the same time. After successful sending of the data of A computer, B can send data to A. Clear? Here only one way. This is two-way communication, but not at a same time. Clear? Okay. Next one. Next one is half duplex. Suppose two computers are connected. Full duplex. Suppose two computers are connected, A and B. A can send data to B, and B can also send data to A at the same time. So this is the one-way communication. Example: keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and monitor. One-way communication. We can type into the keyboard, and the portion will be displayed into the monitor screen. This is the one-way communication. So only one-way communication. A can send data to B. Keyboard and monitor. This is the half duplex. Half duplex means both computers can send data to each other. A can send data to B, B can send data to A, but not at the same time. Example is walkie-talkie. And third one is full duplex. A can send data to B, B can also send data to A at the same time. It is at the not at the same time. This is the at the same time. So full duplex example is telephone networking. So first one is simplex, only one way communication, keyboard and monitor. Two-way communication but not at the same time. Example is walkie-talkie. Two-way communication at the same time. Example is telephone networking. Clear? So in my next class I will discuss about the media, guided and unguided media, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, satellite, geosatellite, radio wave, and then types of network, LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN, etc. Clear? Till then, goodbye.